using Klarna on Amazon in Canada is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Klarna on Canada in Amazon. So for that, as you guys can see, I will go to my Amazon website. Currently, I live in UK and you won't have any problem, doing the same. So you just have to go to Amazon and select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy any phone, so I'm just going to search for iPhone 15. I'm just going to enter it. After that, you have to select any of the product that you want to buy. So you just have to go to that product, the product to your basket, and I'm on that. And afterward, I will click on proceed to checkout. So after that, you simply have to log in. I'm just going to log in. After logging in, it will want you to, pay. So in the payment section, you can easily use Klarna, but it totally depends upon what are the things that you are buying. So Amazon does support Klarna, but you have to make sure if that product support Klarna. Suppose if you want to buy a RAM or suppose you want to buy a phone case, you won't be getting Klarna payment option for that just because these products are already very cheap. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.